make $10 every day on this particular website, approximately 100 Ghana cedis every day on this particular website. No investment involved. Kindly stick with me to the end of the video so that you don't miss any continuous content. Until then, let's get started. Okay, most of us have heard about this particular website or this particular app which was launched recently. And to be honest, in this video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways you can earn on this particular website or this particular app. Maybe you have heard of the app, but you didn't know there are ways to earn on this particular app. So I'm sure you have to stick to the end of the video because the third one is very crucial and very, very productive. Okay, before we start, I would like to talk to you about this particular app, the advantages of using this particular app in your day-to-day activities, and how to start making money from this particular app. Okay, those of you who haven't heard of this app is called Zeepay. Zeepay. Basically, Zeepay is just like Momo Pay or Momo, where you used to send money to friends, family, and people abroad, Ghana, anywhere they find yourself. But this particular app has made so many enhancements when it comes to online money transactions. Yes, I mean online money transactions. Okay, so Zeepay, before we start, I'd like to take you through the registration process. All you have to do if you haven't registered for a Zeepay account is dial *270#. I'll be displaying it here for you to see. *270#. You choose option 1 to register. You enter your Ghana card details. If you're Nigerian, you enter your passport. Anywhere you find yourself, you just follow the prompt over there. You enter your digital address and you are good to go. Within 24 hours, your account will be verified. Now you can start making or start sending money to friends and family via this particular app. So this is the first phase, registration. Now that we are done with registration, let's go to the next phase. How are you going to make money on this particular app? Unlike MTN, Vodafone, Airtel Tigo, they all have merchants who send money, receive money, and get paid for it. But with this particular app, you can apply to be a merchant even if you don't have a business registration certificate. With MTN, it's very tedious because you have to get a business registration certificate, and if you don't have that, automatically you can't register for MTN Merchant Sim to start earning. And with MTN Merchant Sim, the probability or the proportion of merchants and MTN is 50-50. But with Zeepay, it's 60-40. You take 60% earnings and the company take only 40% earnings. This is the first way you can make money on Zeepay. You can register to be a merchant and you start making 60% commission each and every time you send money to friends, family, or send money to someone comes to withdraw money from Zeepay. And let me tell you some of the advantages you are going to get from Zeepay merchant. Okay, so 1, if you're a merchant, you can send money to all banks' accounts without you being deducted any fee. Not to even talk about e-levy. No. Send money to your friends and family and you won't be deducted any fee. Yes, that's option number 1. And even if you are not a merchant, you still have or enjoy more bonuses like only 8% commission or only 8% charge rate compared to MTN 10% together with tax. Zeepay only charges 8%. So assuming you are sending 10,000 Ghana cedis, you are supposed to pay 100 cedis with MTN. With Zeepay, you are paying only 80 cedis. You can save the extra 20 cedis for airtime. Have you thought about that? So this is just some tips. Zeepay give weekly consumer bonuses. So at the end of the week, if you happen to maybe send 500 Ghana cedis, 10,100 cedis, 15,100 cedis, Zeepay is going to award you an amount or a bonus per regards to the amount of money you sent over the weekend. This is just weekend bonuses on Zeepay. This is the second step of earning on this particular app. I know some of us send so much money within the week, like sometimes 10,000, and MTN doesn't give us anything. Airtel Tigo doesn't give us anything. Vodafone didn't give us anything. But with Zeepay, you are paid or you are giving bonuses after the weekend with regards to the number of money you've sent or the amount of money you sent over the weekend. This is the second phase. Now the third phase you don't want to miss. But before I go to the third phase, let me introduce this. This is the new feature on Zeepay. Most of us, when we are chatting with our friends and family, we don't want to leave the WhatsApp app. And sometimes leaving WhatsApp to go to your call log to enter *123*4 *77 is very tedious. And because of this, sometimes we even forget to even send our friends and family money because we are so occupied on WhatsApp or any of the social media handles. And because of this, Zeepay has introduced the new feature where you can send money via WhatsApp. All you have to do is just save the Zeepay number I'll be putting on the screen. So if you want to send money, you just go to the number and you dial the short code on the chat and your money will be sent straight up. You don't have to opt out of WhatsApp to go to your call log and send money. Zeepay is making everything simple and convenient. What are you waiting for? Now back to the third point. I know you've been waiting for this particular point. This way offers 5 Ghana Cedi cashback. Yes, you heard me right. 5 Ghana Cedi cashback. And with this 5 Ghana Cedi cashback, you can get 3 times every day. When you send money to your friend, 100 cedis and above, you are getting 5 Ghana Cedi cashback. So assuming you send Kofi 100 cedis, you are going to get 5 cedis cashback, making it 95 cedis automatically. When you send Clarence 500 cedis, you are getting 5 Ghana Cedi cashback. When you send Bernard 500 cedis, you are getting 5 Ghana Cedi cashback. So every day you are going to earn 15 Ghana cedis on Zeepay just for sending money to your friends. And this is the trick I want to show you. All you have to do is get 4 friends. Each of them has registered for Zeepay. So when you send A 100 cedis, he sends the 100 cedis to B. B sends the 100 cedis to C, getting B 5 cedis. C sends the 100 cedis to D. C get 5 cedis. D send the 100 cedis to you. D get 5 cedis. You send the 100 cedis to B, you get another 5 cedis. B send it to C. Like you see, it goes on and on and on. It's simple. This is one hack you have to utilize because how long it's going to exist. So you just have to take advantage of it. And here on this channel, we discuss ways to make money. So we always think smart and we always think ahead. If you have to do this for a week, within the week, you will get roughly 75 Ghana cedis within the week. Just for doing nothing, 100 cedis, you send it over to 3 people every day, 3 people every day, and you are getting 75 cedis every week. When you do this for 1 month, you are getting 410 Ghana cedis. This money is enough to pay your light bill and your water bill, and even your child's school fees. That was just by the way, I was kidding with that one. So guys, utilize this information and kindly share with your friends and family. Let them register on this app so that you start earning now. Okay, but please, if you find this video helpful, this information helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon. Notify all videos so that each and every time I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to get it and you look sharp and hop over it. Until then, it's another day and I'd like to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace out. Alatia.